What is LinkedIn for you? When you come to LinkedIn, what it means and what has been your experience that you want to share with the world today?
You post something and immediately, a lot of people view it and then they start, sending you LinkedIn requests.
Last week, I got a LinkedIn request.
They want to invade your personal space. They ask you questions like,
do you go to gym?
Are you interested in working from my home opportunity?
WhatsApped me in the middle of the night. So this conversation went on a very different level. And
this person are working together in the same organization. What would be the consequences of me reporting this?
Kind of trolls that one starts getting and the comments that start coming.
if you are not here to network for your business purpose or for a job opportunity perhaps, then I would like to go ahead and seize this conversation.
Blocking is a huge step where you're saying no,
Absolutely.
no, back off, right? It's a back
Yep.
off.
if I block them, it gives an opportunity for them to move from me to somebody else. Cutting them out of their system is a medium.
And if online harassment is going to continue, then somewhere big companies like these will have to play a big part in putting a stop to it.
If we can prompt LinkedIn saying that this person, and they can have a private to our messages, what we want to report.
There should be some trigger words that triggers to their profile that this conversation is not going in that particular platform.
Then automatically LinkedIn should, block them out.
Bachpan se we have heard, ignore it.
Feel bad for 2 minutes and then move on and just tell yourself, yeah.
So it's always about how you deal with that situation with confidence and scare the other person. That's very important for every woman, that to speak up and come up strong with confidence so that the other person can understand that this is not an easy go for me. And
It is more powerful to speak up than to silently resent.